So a while back, another YouTuber, Mark Kratz, sent me a, I don't know, care package, I guess you'd call it, and kind of challenged me to come up with a recipe using one of the ingredients that was in that care package. Now, I must admit, I had never even heard of the ingredient, but I don't know if you've heard of it, banana ketchup. So apparently, in the Philippines, they got to liking ketchup, but they had a shortage of tomatoes, so they couldn't make ketchup. So an innovative food scientist came up with the idea of substituting tomatoes for bananas. And that's how we get banana ketchup. Now this stuff looks like ketchup. I mean, it's got a ton of, must be red food coloring in it. And it looks just like ketchup, but it's really sweet. So I had to come up with a recipe that used it, and I've sort of cheated a little bit. I'm making a Filipino dish. It is marinated pork belly, but I put a little twist on it. I've added a couple ingredients that I think are going to enhance it. So let's get this fire going and let's look at what we're going to cook. Tonight what we're going to cook is, we've been marinating all day some pork belly chunks that we've got marinating in a Filipino marinade. And one of the main ingredients in the marinade is this new to me ingredient called banana ketchup. So when Mark sent me this, I thought, oh my goodness, what am I going to do with this? So I did a little research and I thought, well, it's only fair to do something Filipino since it's from the Philippines. So we've got a marinade here that is made up of banana ketchup, soy sauce, garlic, lemon juice, squeezed lemon juice, and I've put a little fish sauce in here. I thought that would amp it up a little bit. And of course, it's got a good dose of banana ketchup in it. We've also got a glaze that, as we grill this, we're going to continuously glaze it. And this glaze is a combination of soy sauce, banana ketchup again, Maggi. So if you don't know what Maggi is, I'll link that below. It's a kind of an umami bomb, if you will. There's fish sauce in here. And there is more squeezed lemon juice. Now we're gonna do this on skewers. There's one thing I absolutely hate, is to grill anything with sugar in it because of the mess it leaves on your grill. And I didn't want to spend the entire night trying to scrub burned on sugar off my grill. So we're gonna go ahead and skewer these things, and afterwards we're going to dip these in a sauce made of hot peppers, garlic, onion, and vinegar. I know it sounds crazy, but it's pretty darn tasty. So as that fire gets going, we're gonna get these onto the skewer. We're gonna cook these on a Snow Peak Takibi fire pit. We're gonna use the cooking bridge without the grate. We're just gonna lay the skewers over top of that. They seem to fit really well. And we're gonna go ahead and whip up this appetizer tonight. All right, we've got some good coals. Let's get these things over the fire and start the process. Now this is pork belly chunks. I have no idea how long this is going to take to cook, but we're just going to keep flipping and marinating as we go. Our pork belly is done. You can see why I didn't want to put them on the grill. We got some seriously good char that looks so tasty. The mahogany color, I mean, everything about these things looks great. We're going to take these over and get them off the skewers and give them a taste. And just marinating these every time I turned them gave them such a beautiful mahogany color. And like I said, you can tell there's definitely sugar in that banana ketchup. All right, let's see how these babies taste. I think I'm gonna need to get a fork though. The moment of truth. We have our pork belly. Looks phenomenal. And Mark, thanks for the banana ketchup. I would have never tried this recipe without it. Let's dip it in the vinegar sauce. And I know some people are gonna look at that and think, that doesn't sound too good to me, but vinegar is a killer ingredient. So let's see what this tastes like. This has got the brightness from the vinegar and the lemon juice. It's got a depth of flavor from the fish sauce and the soy sauce and the Maggi. This is a very, very good appetizer. Something I never would have tried without the banana ketchup. So Mark, you have shown me an ingredient that created one heck of an awesome pork belly recipe. So thanks very much, Mark. As always, for those of you that like content like this, give us a thumbs up, hit that sub button, give us a comment, tell us what you think, and share this with your like-minded friends. And as always, take care and we'll see you outdoors.